here on KTN News, only the best way that we can. But then away from that, and tonight the court has temporarily suspended the recently enacted contentious finance law. High Court Judge Justice Mugure Thande has ordered the government not to implement the Finance Act 2023 until the application filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah is heard and determined. The case will come up for mention on July 5th. Now, it is now for the Attorney General, that is Justin Muturi's turn, to convince judges that some of the controversial clauses in the law, such as housing tax, are legal. The case will come back to court for mention on the 5th July 2023. Now, some of the clauses in the new law, including that of fuel levy, was set to come into effect at midnight tonight. All right, we are trying to get a hold of Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah.